that reggae has been stopped. And I told them that according to me, I know reggae is still on. Reggae is going on. And if that thing can touch the Muludinga, this county should be disbanded and everybody should get a share and go home. Yes. And Corona has developed a cold feet and you've seen.
So, sir, when you said this country to be disbanded and everybody to go home, what did you mean? If you disband this country and everybody goes home, where were we supposed to go?
Mr. Jalas, let me tell those people outside there that they should know English more. If they don't understand English, they should go back to school. To disband does not mean to destroy. Even the NEB, the National Election Board of ODM, headed by Fred Tuok.
Fred Tuok.
Yes. It was Baba disbanded it, and a new one came under Catherine Moma. Yes. So to disband does not mean to destroy. And the president went ahead to disband the people from easily from going outside and making interactions with the people. That is the disbandment I was talking about. There was lockdown. I could not be able to go back home. And in fact, they should know home is where you are living. Even your rental houses is home. I could not be able to go to Kisumu. Yes. And even Old Town in Mombasa
was also disbanded.
Was shut down. That is disbandment. And if they think disbandment was bad, then the words I used, I did not mean shall. I did not use the word shall or must. I used the word should, which was a choice to them. If they wanted to disband, it was upon them. It was a choice. They better leave it or do it. Yes. Everything I talked about was within the architecture of the law, which Orengo has taught me through my readings.
You see, you're very eloquent in the Queen's language.
Yes.
Could we now retrace your journey into this amazingness? Where were you born?
Okay, I'm George Bodo. I was born in Seme, that is Kisumu County. And even in Baba's bedroom there, the lower Karen, people used to call me Woodgi Nyongo, Woodgi Professor. Yes.
The brother to Professor Nyang Nyongo.
Yes.
Because Nyang Nyongo come from Seme.
Yes.
And that is where you are born.
That is where
so most people in Lower Karen.
Yes.
You live in Lower Karen?
I live in Lower Karen and Baba is living in Upper Karen. You know, Baba is a bit higher than me.
So him is in Upper?
Yes, I
must. When you say Lower Karen, what do you mean, sir?
I mean the bastion, the Baba's bastion, the bedrock, Kibra.
Oh, you are in
yes,
Kibra.
Yeah.
Oh, so that is Lower Karen.
That is Lower Karen.
So Baba is in Upper Karen.
Yes, you know, we used to, Simba. Simba must be very close to the gate to protect Baba. And Baba rests in another, in the top.
So let me ask you, so you were born in the same. Where did you attend your primary school, sir?
Okay, I attended my primary school in Kajulu Primary School. Yes.
Then your high school?
My high school, my learning did not stop there. I went up to Form 3, but I dropped out due to lack of money. But Jalas, I'm still learning. You will soon see my graduation. For people who are out there will see my graduation. I will welcome them, all of them. I'm still learning. Learning does not have an end. Yes, until you die.
So you keep learning. Everything.
I keep learning. They should know that. I keep learning.
Wow. So you live in Kibra now?
I live in Kibra now. The bastion, the bedrock, Baba's bedrock.
When you use the word bastion, it means bedroom.
That means bedroom. And reggae went on in the bedroom. I made sure the gospel. I'm the reggae songbird. I'm the BBI reggae songbird.
BBI reggae songbird.
Songbird. an ambassador, an automatic ambassador of BBI. And I'm only waiting for coronation. Uhuru and Raila should know that. Yes. It was an automatic one. Yes.
Hey. Ladies and gentlemen, we are with George Bodo here. And I just want to give a quick shout out, sir, if you allow me.
Yes, you can go ahead.
To just appreciate the people watching us this moment.
Yes.
We have Jalango is saying he's here. Jalas, please call Baba to talk to this amazing man. Sangoman.com is saying he's in the building. Job Wura anasema Jalas, please call Baba to just, do we try and reach Baba today?
Yes, if we can reach Baba, and I want to hear the voice of Baba, because I just saw him limbering, ready to come back to the dance hall. But if I can hear the voice of Baba, I would be more than happy.
Let me ask you.
Yes.
Okay, I'll try to reach him right now. I have a few numbers that I think I'm able to reach him through. The day the video came out,
yes.
No, let's start with the day you heard Baba was sick.
Yes.
How did you take that information?
It was a very sad moment for me, Mr. Jalas, and I made sure being an engineer, I was having a friend's vehicle. I went for test, and I made sure that I used the vehicle to go and see Baba, but the security was tight there. So I went back home.
You being an engineer,
yes,
you were taking a client's car for test.
Yes, because yes, for test.
For test. Then
yes.
You took the same car to go see Baba.
Yes.
Without telling the client.
No, I talked to the client.
And told them that let me use your car today.
The client, first of all, the client was even very much sorry, because he knew very well that I'm not happy, because he knows I'm Baba's man. Yes.
So he told you just take my car and go see Baba.
He told me that George, if by going by this illness of Baba, I know you can even not work. Go and see Baba first, then you come as you test the car.
So you tested the car all the way to Nairobi Hospital?
Yes.
But the security was tight?
The security was tight.
Wow.
Yes.
So you were not able to see Baba?
I was not able to see Baba, and I'm hoping to see Baba in a broad daylight, covered, to be a challenge to the rest.
Okay.
Yes.
And later, a few days later, Winnie posted a video of Baba limbering.
Limbering and jogging.
Talk to me about your happiness on that day.
I was very much happy when I last.
I can see you are smiling.
Yes.
Even the thought alone.
Yeah. That is what happened. Yeah.
You are very happy that day.
I'm a very happy man today. Yes.
To see Baba.
And I'm very much happy, and I know even Baba is happy, because I won Corona.